For grains and most livestock on Thursday, Michelle Rook has more on the turnaround in Markets Now.
Grains were mostly higher on Thursday, as well as cattle into new contract highs. Chip Nellinger, Blue Reef Agri-Marketing, is joining us. And let's talk about the grains first off. The recovery that we saw on Thursday, was it all about technical exhaustion, or was it more just putting weather premium back into that market?
Well, I think a little bit of both. The funds had really pressed these grain markets to the downside and building short positions up. And then you also kind of coincided that with a little bit of a pattern change here. It's very dry in the Eastern Corn Belt. Portions of the Western Corn Belt have received some rain. Overall, we need a better rainfall pattern and more regular, beneficial rain into mid to late June, or we're going to start cutting yields back. And so the market is sensing that. Crop conditions, the first crop condition report here on Monday showed that we're under the levels of a year ago, and we're going to continue to drop if we don't get better rain in the Eastern Corn Belt. So it's all about weather at the heart of it. The funds have made a lot of money being short the last couple of months, but if this weather pattern continues trending drier into mid to late June, and we don't see better rainfall, then there's more upside as the funds, will be forced to blow out of those short positions.
Yeah. Drought monitors seem to really confirm what we already knew, that there are some trouble areas. It's going to be hard to get to those record yields as a result. All right, cattle market. Let's talk about that. New contract highs for the sixth straight day in the nearby live cattle futures, but we had sharply higher cash trade to push it, didn't we?
We did. And getting a little bit, not quite blow off top, but we're sure getting it extended to the top side here. Can it keep going? Absolutely. Before today, you saw that June futures were $12-ish below where the northern cash trade has been. So that's what we're getting into. It's different from 3 months ago where we saw the futures have a premium to where cash is. Now it's the opposite. Cash continues to move higher, boxes move higher, and that's driving us. But eventually the funds are going to have their fill of the long position that they've got. They continue to add to it. It's paying them. But like any market, they're eventually going to want to take their money off the table. And you have to really watch for these high price levels to start ratcheting demand back. So I'm still friendly in the short run. We've got some upside left. Maybe we can push this up into the low 180s, maybe 190. But I think we really have to be cautious, especially if we continue at this sharp of an angle to the upside.
Thanks so much for joining us, Chip Nellinger, Blue Reef Agri-Marketing. That's Markets Now.
Farming has changed. Markets are riskier than ever. For customized, focused commodity marketing, contact Chip Nellinger or Adam Dreyer at 309-550-7213.